Good morning mga kagala. Ayan ano, tawag ito? Pangatlong araw natin dito sa Vietnam. Ayan, ang oras natin ay mag-alas 6, mag-alas 7 dito sa Vietnam. Ayan, at kami kakain muna, mag-aamusal. Pupunta kami doon sa sa kakainan namin. Gagayak lang. 3 days na ngayon. Good morning, good morning. Ayun good morning Ayun amusal muna tayo. Breakfast muna tayo. At yung kumukuha ng kape si Lola.
Tikman ko muna bago ako
Galing. Maano naman yung pansin. Ito masarap. Indonesia. Sarap ng kape nila Sarap ng kape. Iba yung lasa ng kape. Sarap.
Arabica daw siya. Arabica.
Arabica raw yung kape. Arabica. Sarap. Okay. Good morning. Ayun breakfast kami ayan Uy. Si Buso. Third day.
Second day breakfast.
Good morning, good morning. Good morning Philippines. Good morning Vietnam. Ayan. Good morning, good morning.
We're being recorded.
Ay, lang pala. Hindi ko nakikita.
Ayan pipicture kami. Ayun na po yung ating bus. At sasakay na po tayo. Ayan. Maggagala na naman tayo. Sakay na, Buso.
Masalubong mo kay Papa.
Sakay na.
Bili ako.
Sige. Sige, sige na, sige na.
Tote bag lang.
Oo, yung tote bag. Hindi ba kasi nila alam yung 40,000 hindi, 40,000 hindi. 40,000 look.
Yay! Yay!
One shot. 1, 2, 3. One more. Okay.
Kampai!
Remember yesterday I say một hai ba yo.
Otay Basyo!
Again.
Otay Basyo!
Yo. Hai ba uống. Okay.
Ayan o, may libre pang kopi. Pero yung masarap na kopi rito, dito sa Vietnam.
1, 2, 3, cheers.
Oh. Ayan o, ayan o. Oh, yung kopi o. Pakita yung kopi o. Oh, lahat kami, binigyan kami ng kopi.
Ice coffee.
Ice coffee.
Xin chào cô, how are you today? Good.
Good.
Right? The first one is latex factory. You know latex? Latex. Latex. Yes. Rubber, yes. Mattress. Made
Mattress.
from natural rubber. Yes. To get visit our city. So we will try to bring as many as we can. The tourists go to visit our factory and then you can buy our product. You can buy this phone which only 2 or 3 peso. It's not 5 peso anymore, right? Because we bring you directly to the factory and then you can buy this with 2 or 3 peso. Yes. But you know, with 2 or 3 peso, the factory they already have their profit because it costs only 1 peso. Am I right, everyone? Yes, they have their profits, everyone. And so now is the chance. They have to come back and support for my company because my company is minor. When you've been here, when you arrive in Da Nang, my company minor. So now the factory will come back and support for the tour company. They will share some of their profits back to the company. Yeah, we support each other, everyone. Yeah, it's the way we support each other. Yeah. So there is tour company, a factory. The third one is the government. Government is the one control everything, everyone. This chapter is under the control, under the management of government. Government is the one who sign contract with the Royal Air, not my company. And then government put one condition: you have to give my customer a lot of free luggage. Because we, all of you understand something about latex. Most of you now using the, I think the foam mattress, right? Foam mattress. So now it's your chance to experience. You experience first. The mattress here, you can only use in 5-star hotel or resorts because we provide for so many hotel and resort, everyone. Marriott, Marriott, Intercontinental, a lot of resort and hotel in the world now using our product. Okay. Later you go inside. My sister will help me. She will take you around. She will introduce you about the latex, and also she will announce the promotion because normally at the New Year they have promotion. If is there any promotion for the mattress if you buy here? Okay, today. Yes, go inside. Let's say Xin Chào to Luna. She will help me take you around to experience our product. Okay, let's go, Po.
Let's go po!
Let's go, Puto.
Let's go! Budol! Ayun!
Eh, di ba 100 something? 130 ito. Thank you.
Good morning! Morning!
Coming inside, let the picture. Philippines, please. Can you? Okay.
Ano? Mabuhay! Xin chào! Xin chào!
And we are going to call him Uncle. He is the first person to bring our country independence and freedom. And you can see him coming here. And let me quickly talk about our company. Our Hot River is premium international brand that usually is strictly exported to Europe and America, which sold quite well. And our product have achieved international certification, which I display here. Come closer to me. Yeah, come closer. Here. These certifications are evidence of the safety and quality of our product. The first and the second HGS International Quality Certification. And here is the oxygen ion certification related to the negative ion product. I will tell you more when we go to the VIP room. And the last one, this is the certification of the cooperation between our company and the government. And here, on the left, you can see on the left, these are the famous hotels of the world, and our company supply the product to the many hotels like Marriott, Hilton, Whitway, etc. Yeah, a lot of
Ano yan?
famous hotels, right? So now everyone invite everyone to come to the VIP room.
Ayan, tapos na kami rito. Ayan. Paalis na kami. Sana makaya tayo susunod. Saan tayo susunod?
Another budol.
Another budol.
Buti hindi na budol.
Car we just passed over this one.
Ayan,
also.
dyan tayo
The car
naghanap
with the
kagabi.
V
Na
in the front on the head.
cruise.
It's Bing car, Bing Group car. It's electric car, everyone. So the Bing Group now they are manufacturing, they are producing electric car, and then we export to the world. See, a small country like Vietnam now we can produce electric car.
Ayun o. Ayan o. Picture lang tayo rito sa ano. Oh, nawala na yung aking mga kasangga. Picture lang tayo rin eh. Ayun, magpipicture muna raw tayo. Ayun o, si ano, si Hero. Group picture. Dini sa ano na to. Wow. Group picture. Dito sa kabila pala tayo. Ayun doon o. Hero. No water?
Run out of water.
Merlion.
Yes!
Oh. one video.
When I say, let's go, what you say?
Xin
No,
chào.
not Xin Chào anymore. Today is the third day, so not Xin Chào. Let's say, tôi yêu Đà Nẵng. Yêu mean love. I love Đà Nẵng. Okay, everyone? Let's go!
Tôi yêu Đà Nẵng.
Louder, louder, please.
Tôi yêu Đà Nẵng.
At the same time, and louder, and everyone, you're doing like this, okay? Are you ready?
Yeah!
Ready?
Yeah! Yes!
Tôi yêu Đà Nẵng.
Very good, thank you so much. Okay, if is there any group want to take picture, then I will have you to take. You have free time until 11:40, and you come back here 11:40, okay?
Ayun o, aakit kami ron sa taas. Tapos pipicture kami ron. Yung may ano, may... Ayan, yung dragon na yan o, yung mahaba o. Aakit tayo sa taas. Ano, aakit tayo o. Ay! Ay! Uy, may nag-aaral lang tinikling dito. Ayun o. Uy! Oh. Ay, estudyante. Ayun o.
Saan yung ano nyo?
Uy, yun siya ano o.
Kasama yung
Ah.
ano?
Sang.
Isang ganire. Kasama.
Ayun o. Dito raw nagsasabit ng mga padlock yung mga ano, mga lovers. Para raw ayun o, daming padlock o. Ayun o. Daming padlock. Ayan. Dami. Oh. Daming nakasabit o. Tapos ibabalibag doon yung susi para hindi makukuha. Ayan o. Mabuhay! Ayan si Hero, ang aming hero!
Don't forget me when you get famous, okay?
Okay.
The bus over there if you want to go to the bus.
Oh, ano na uy? Kakain tayo.
Yes, hindi pa sila ano. Tagal pa natin mag-aantay nakatayo.
Yun o.
100 peso, 100 peso.
Kain tayo dito, kakain tayo dito. Diyan tayo kakain o. Yan o. Danang local foods.
Taas ba? Taas?
Second floor, second floor.
Alin?
Diyan second floor. Picture. Oh, second floor. Oh, kaway, 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 kaway. Oh. Oy, oh, kaway, kaway, kaway.
Oh my, you TikTok.
Yan din ba ako?
Oh, kaway, 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 kaway. Kaway, kaway, kaway. Yun, oh. Dito naman tayo sa kabila. Yun, oh. Oh, kaway, kaway, kaway.
Sige. Ay.
Kaway, kaway. Oh, kaway, 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 kaway. Op, 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 op. Ayun, oh. Ayun, oh. Tapos na tayo mag-lunch. Eh, bababa na kami. Mag-picture-picture muna kami din sa harap. Ayan, oh. Basta, picture muna tayo. Picture muna kami rin eh.
Checkbook mango. Tama na.
Ay, salamat sa Diyos. Dahil na naman po kami. Ayun o, picture lang tayo, picture lang tayo. Ha? Gamot? Hindi pa nakainom. Eh mamaya na pagka-picture, pagbalik. Kinuha na ni kinuha ni Mami. Ayun o, picture muna raw kami rito dyan o. Sa bungad ng beach dito. Oh. Matagal hanapin yung gamot ko na, nasa bulsa lang sa harap eh. Ayun o, picture muna tayo rito. Ayan o, ganda ng beach o. Uy, ayan nag-aantay yung mga kasama natin doon. Ayun o. Oh. Uy, dapat pala dinala natin yung mga salakot natin eh. Ah. Oh. Naka-uniform ah. Eh, nag-aantay muna tayo rin eh. Naantay muna natin yung mga ano, ayan oh. Oh, ayun oh. Uy. Opa. Oh, natin sila.
Okay.
Okay. Susunod tayo naman natin susunod.
One more.
One more. One more.
Busog!
You can jump. Okay.
Busog pa.
I need you to stay here and make a curve at this side.
Oh, yun oh.
So that I can get the whole good Da Nang beach. Come here this side. Alamay, oh everyone, yes.
Oh, yun oh. Da Nang Beach.
Make a curve. Okay.
Oh.
Make a curve like this. Yes.
Like that.
Come on. Come on.
Come on, come on. Kaway. Come on. Kaway. Oh.
Okay, bro. Nani?
Busog. Hindi makatalon.
It's not jam. Any group one picture, then I can have you to take a picture. Group of three. Yeah?
Oh, dito.
Wait me. Move.
Eh, may naglalako na naman. Budol. May naglalako na naman. Oh, may giveaway na naman kami oh. Oh, yan sa ating tour guide.
Mas vendor.
Random, right? I cannot see. You can change.
Labubu.
Nabubudol.
How much you had to pay for the Labubu yesterday? Huh? How much? 1,000 peso?
Yeah.
No, it's not. 80 is about 700 peso. But this one only 100. This one only 100 peso.
Uy.
Yes.
That is my
Mas vendor.
Mas vendor.
Well, but thanks though. For you. Hey,
Labubu.
The Labubu made in Vietnam.
May giveaway.
The Labubu with 90s. Everyone is 90s. And then the Labubu can change the color. It can glow in the dark. The price 100 peso for each. Okay. Labubu. Happy hour! Happy hour!
Tayo ng taste tayo ng kape.
Please have a seat here. We have enough seats for everyone. Chairs back here.
Ano yan?
Yeah.
Dalawa.
Dalawa.
Everyone, please grab a seat in the front. You can sit wherever you want. You can sit here. Here lang.
Oh.
Tsaka dyan. Hello, maraming candy.
Sa kanila maraming candy.
Nag-isa nyo naman kami dito. Kaya nyo naman kami.
Hagisa nyo naman kami.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is for you. All of you.
Baka naman, baka naman.
Candy and coffee.
Baka naman, kuha mo nga ako mi. Baka naman.
Just make yourself at home.
Hindi ko mo.
Well, first of all, good afternoon, Maganda and Rambo. How are you today? Okay. Fine. So, have you already have your lunch yet? Yeah. Good. Yeah. Is it good? Yeah. Well, let me introduce something about myself. My English name is Katarina. Yeah, I am 22 years old from Vietnam. Yeah. Katarina, are you single? Single? Yeah, I'm still single. Just because I'm just 23 years old. Yeah. And today I will represent my showroom to introduce you about specialty in Vietnam, including coffee, chocolate, and other treasures such as amber, yeah, and some chain stores like sapphire and ruby. Yeah. And next, I would like to invite everyone to take a sip of coffee. Vietnamese coffee. Yeah.
Magkakape tayo, magkakape. Oh.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Red Bull.
Red Bull. Oh.
This is Vietnamese coffee.
Warrior.
Coffee. Yeah.
Oh.
Made by the local people.
Ayun o, nakatapos na tayo. Nakabili tayo ng isang pirasong Raffle. Waffle ba? Waffle?
Truffle.
Truffle. Ayun. Pasok na ulit tayo. Ayun o, titingin ka ba motor? Made in Vietnam. Titingin tayo ng ano? Titingin tayo sa sapatos. Dini. Oh. Makakabili tayo. Oh. Parang ayun, wala tayong nabili. Wala tayong nabili. Wala kaming nabili. Masusulat kami.
Tapos yung ilalim.
Sakaya na uli. Sakaya na uli. Sakaya na uli. Sakaya na uli.
Kasi fix na.
very expensive, but see, now nobody live here. Yeah, because the COVID, the inventor, they invest a lot of money to construct this, but after COVID, nobody buy. So now it's empty. Before COVID, it's very expensive. Nobody live here. Okay, everyone wake up now. It's our place. See, Boon-Lay. Later go inside. Do you need to go to WC, everyone? WC first, right? WC first, and then we go to the river. See, we will join with the group. Two of you will join together on one boat. Okay? When you sit on the boat, look at me. I will take you a picture before you go. Take you a picture, and then the trip is about 30 minutes. 30 minutes. Then after the trip, you come back at the same place and enjoy dinner. Remember, everyone, when you sit on the boat, your hand you keep inside of the boat. Okay? Don't put it outside, because there are a lot of boats out there. Maybe the boat will hit each other, pump each other, and then it harm your hand. Actually, the name of this village is Water Coconut, everyone. Water Coconut, that's one. Yes, Water Coconut is different with coconut. Coconut is here, right? Yes, Water Coconut always grow in the riverside.
Sasa.
Yeah, it's water. You have that one in Philippines? What is the name?
Sasa.
Dipa?
Sasa.
Dipa. Yes. Dipa.
Ay, baba na naman, baba na naman. Oh. Si Mami. Ayun.
Ano pa yung magandang nakaupo sa ano na may
Nara.
ganun? Ha? Ayaw mo?
Ayun. Ako ayoko, maluwag oo.
Ang gumana na. Pero pag picture ako.
CR muna. Ayun oh, andito kami oh. Sasakay kami sa boat. Iba naman to, yung bilog na boat, yung bangka, bilog na bangka. Hindi ko alam kung ano tawag doon. Coconut boat ride. Ayan. Coconut boat rides. Doon, so subukan natin yan. Yung umiikot. Ang gano'n, no? Umiikot. Nina, 15 minutes daw aga pinaprepare yung boat.
Ano?
15 minutes, pwede maglakad.
Okay.
Aga pinaprepare yung ano.
Hindi sanay mag-English pero tinuro niya kung saan yung WC. Sarap to.
Ayun oh. Huy, sarap tumawid. Oh, huy. Pwede tayo mag-picture. Oh. Ay, sila nakapaglakad na oh. Nakapaglibot na.
Ito na po yung boat ride.
Ano ba nakikita ron?
Yung ano parang po yung parang
Yung umiikot-ikot. Naku, sarap nun. Ayun oh, diyan tayo sasakay oh. Ayun oh. Hoy. Wow.
Because we 7 buses.
Now I know the spot.